I shoot.
Green. Give me that.
Yo, it's green. He says green. He just said it. He just said it. The way he said it, he said green. I can't say it like he does.
Yeah, green?
Yeah, that's how he said it. Green.
Give me enough skin, my server die.
What's up, guys and girls of the internet? I'm Kaz. Now please don't be shy about the like, share, subscribe button. I'm gonna drop some dimes today on you. Anyway, so I'm gonna teach you how to fish rather than just give you the fish and just give you a quick bait every week and say this is an ultra wet jump shot. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna show you how to find your own A1 jump shot, one that you can use and 2K won't patch it. You know why? Because it's not popular online. You found it yourself and you pretty much customized it to be ultra green. Now the jump shot that I'm using is the test jump shot. I think it's going to be ultra green. It's easy to use and I'm not going to tell you what it is because you're going to find out your own jump shot. But the first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to go inside the team practice facility, and whilst it's loading into my player lab, I'm going to tell you why. So if you use the shoot around behind the alleyway, it counts as the attribute boost loss. So if you have like 10 attribute boosts, every time you play it, it's going to decrease one of your attribute boosts. This is kind of sneaky by 2K, but whatever. And if you go inside the my card area, it's not as accurate. It really depends on your level of difficulty that you're playing on. But the team facility, it might not be as accurate as the actual game, because sometimes a shot is green in the team facility, but when you actually go online, the timing is off. It's sometimes not as green in Pro-Am or Park. And we all know how that is, all right? So what I really like about the team facility is it doesn't count as an attribute loss, and you also can get the ball back without having to constantly rebound the ball. So you can just press X and get the ball back. So that's very easy, and you just keep on practicing your timing of the shot. That's the main thing you just want to do in the team practice facility. Just test out timing. But the first thing we want to do, guys, is in our my player lab is that you want to go to the jump shot creator. Alright, I think you get this at about 85 overall. Now there are 4 main parts in making a jump shot. You have your lower base, you have your upper release 1, release 2, and then the blend and speed. Now, if you go online and be like, I want an ultra jump shot release, you're gonna see all the most popular ones like Lamarcus Aldridge base. You're gonna see jump shot 9, jump shot 8. You're gonna see jump shot 11. You're gonna see jump shot, etc., etc., etc. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to go through each jump shot, and depending on how you play, I'm going to show you how to find a good base and build on it so you can be a super green jump shot. Alright, so what I normally do is I don't use, 9 times out of 10, I don't use any of the jump shots right here with names. What I want to do is that I want to look at how does the jump shot bounce. Alright, does it go down? Does it come straight up? How quick is it? And the main thing you want to look at is how really quick it is. Alright. Because I know a lot of people say that the green is really in the base, and that's halfway true. Because I've seen not so good bases still end up pretty green depending on how your blend is with your release 1 and 2. In my personal opinion, I feel as if the base, depending on what base it is only about 50% of the green. And you can actually make up the rest of the green with just your release 1 and 2 and the blend. Alright? So what I'll do is I would look online, or if I find a base that I'm interested in that's quick, always quick jump shots. I don't care if you're a smaller guard, always quick. Put it on very quick, all that. It's all muscle memory. So yes, it'll feel awkward at first, but as your brain catches up to your muscles and muscle memory and all that, the science of things, you're going to get into it. And it's going to be like second nature. But the main reason why you want a quick jump shot is that it's competitive. You don't want a D'Angelo Russell base that's super green but super slow. How are you going to get that off in a competitive game, in a team arena? The only time you're going to be able to get that shot off, I can imagine, would be like Park, when you only have like 3 people on the court. Otherwise, in a Pro-Am or a team facility, you're not going to be able to get that shot off. So you need a base that's super quick. Either a base that has a short jump and super quick, or a large jump and super quick. Either way, you need it to be super quick. So the first thing I want to look at is how quick does it take for me to release this ball. Now, not all the speed is in the base, and you don't want to have a base that's super fast and your release 1 and 2 is super slow, because it throws off your timing. Mentally, it's like a mind boggle, right? So what I do is I look through, and I think this base was pretty good, if I can remember. Dang. All right, so I don't know. Let's try jump shot 26. So that's the base, and let's go to a good release 1. Now you guys know about 2K Lab, and this is actually a good tool. I'm not going to show you any of their stats off their website, but I use the agent code, the agent 00 code. So all you got to do is go on their website, sign up. I think it's like $5 for the month, and you just put in the agent as the promotion code, and then you get a discount, right? Now, if you don't want to go through that route, what I always tell people is for release 1, you always want to get a mid-range shooter, a person who can get the ball in without hitting a green. All right, if you have 2 releases that are highly dependent on the green, when you don't get the green, guys, or you rush your shot, it's not going in at all. But if you get a mid-range shooter like a Paul George, maybe like a Lonzo Ball, maybe like a Kyrie, maybe like a this and a that, even when you miss your shot, it's still going in. That's the release 1. So what I do is I look for a mid-range shooter for my release 1. And one that is also quick. Once again, you don't want a quick base on a slow release 1. So I look for something like this. I guess Rudy Gay is alright, but I'm gonna go with Paul George. Alright, to me he's a better mid-range shooter. And then my release 2, I'm gonna look for a sharp shooter. I'm gonna look for a quick release 2, or depending on how it flows. I don't know. I just want to look through. So I maybe want to go to this, depending on how that looks. Release 29. All right. And the blend is also dependent on how quick your release 1 is from your release 2. If your release 2 and the only thing that you want is the wrist, like for instance, if I'm using Lonzo Ball and then I'm using Stephen Curry, because Lonzo Ball has a quicker, in the game at least, has a quicker release 1, I'm gonna use him primarily, right? Like maybe 70%. And then release 2, because I want Stephen Curry's wrist, I would just put him at 30%. That would give me the speed for the jump shot, and it'll also give me the arc of Stephen Curry. And that's pretty green. That's actually one of the blends that I've had on a previous test of jump shot. All right, I'm not going to tell you the base. Once again, I'm not going to give you a jump shot, and this jump shot might not even be green, but I'm going to show you how to refine it. Now, whenever you're not too sure of the blend, always go 50-50. And then at that point, you depend on how fast or how the jump shot looks, how it kind of flies in the air. You're gonna either start to go 10% to the left or 10% to the right, or keep it right here 50-50. A lot of the times it works quite fine 50-50. All right, and we're gonna name this test 2. Let me see. Oh, I think I already have test 2, so we're gonna name this TTTT3. All right, fine. I think that's it. So let's go back in Jump Shot Creator, make sure that's there. All right, good. Now let's equip that and see how that flows. I'm gonna show you how to refine it. All right, please listen to my advice. If you do it this way, you're never going to be patched. Let's see. TTD3. All right, bang. Now let's look at the base. Jump. It looks a little bit off, but let's try it anyway. All right. So at the testing stage, this is what I want to look at. I want to look at how good the shot goes in without being green. All right, the green isn't exactly what you're looking for, because offline, and when I say offline, I mean not playing pro-am or a park, you're never gonna know how green the jump shot is. And when you are testing it online, and you feel like the jump shot is gonna be pretty good, just need a little bit tweaking, and you want to test it, what I suggest is that you find 4 people to play with on pro-am who you know can carry the team in the event that you're shooting bad. And if you're going on park, then you need to find at least 2 other people, play threes, who can help you win without taking the loss by testing your jump shot. All right. So now I'm in the practice facility. Once again, I have to go for rebounds. What I would do is half bar to release, half bar to release. All right. See how quick it is, half bar to release. Okay, that one going in. All right, half bar to release. All right, now I'm not expecting to get everyone in, but I'm gonna keep on half bar in the release to see how wet the jump shot is without full barring it. All right. All right, so I only got 1 half bar. I think that was like out of 4, 1 out of 4. Bang, let's go. All right, I don't know, this ain't looking too good. Let's try another one. All right, so now let's test the green. Let's test the green. Okay, maybe that wasn't half bar, that was like 3/4. That's still not green, but it still counts as not green. Okay, green. You see the window? Okay, let's try it out again. Green. Now, I didn't even know this was gonna be green by full barring it. I didn't even know, but it seems to be green. All right, let's test it out again. Please, someone pass me the ball. Oh my gosh, pass me the ball. Oh, cat, thank you. All right, let's do it again. Okay, that's not green, but it's green. All right. Bang! Oh my gosh, give me the ball. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Give me the ball. Bang. Alright. Oh, I don't like green on it. Okay. So I would say this jump shot is green and it probably needs a little bit refining. Alright. It needs a little bit of refining. So what I would do is I'll probably test this online. And then I'll go from there to see how green it, whether I need to go more to Paul George side or go more to my custom release side. And then I kind of like the speed. It's alright. And if I imagine me coming off, bang, how quickly I can get it off. And it's all about timing too. This is my first time using this, so it's all about timing. So let me see. Stop. Green. All right. Let's see. Come, give me the ball. Thank you. Stop. Not green. Stop. Green. Not green. Oh, it's still going in. It's a good sign. Okay, didn't go in. I'm gonna test this out online to see how wet this is for real though. I'm gonna see how wet this is. But anyway guys, that's pretty much my technique on how I find A1 jump shots all the time. And you're never gonna patch me because I know how to find my own jump shot. You can't patch me unless 2K make it their business to look inside my registry every time that I find a new jump shot. And one of my guys actually tried to figure out my jump shot and I'm like, alright, cool. I mean, I don't want him to release it because I don't want my A1 jump shot to get released, but it'll only take me about 2-3 hours to find another one, so it's whatever, you know. But guys, learn how to fish. You know, stop taking clickbait, stop taking the fish from these guys. Learn how to do it yourself, man. All right, learn how to do it yourself. I may go more. I don't want to go all the way on Paul George. I may go some more on the next side. I think on the custom release. All right. So once again, 2K Lab, test the jump shot in your training facility. See how much shots goes in without being green. Try to green some shots even though it's not as accurate. Find some guys to test it with online on Pro-Am or so on. Take some open shots. Only count open shots as either good or bad. Know that 2K is going to make you miss open shots regardless. But try to see how much open shots that you make in the game with this jump shot. Not only that guys, what you want to do is you want to make sure do the 50-50 blend to start off with. Then you will know between either go more left or more right from your release 1 and 2. In your release 1, always try to pick a mid-range shooter like a Paul George or someone you know who can shoot mid-ranges. Your bases, I love bases that nobody uses, so always look for bases that nobody uses. And then your release 2, try to look for release 2s that has a nice arc to it. And if you do use a release tool that has a name, try to look for a name that's super green, like Ray Allen and so on like that. All right, so that's how you make your custom releases. And if you want it to be super green forever, you don't want to use anything off of YouTube. In fact, when you find a super green jump shot, research your base online, go on YouTube, try to type in your base number and see if anybody else posted a video on it. And if it's not that popular of a video, then you have nothing to worry about. If it's no video, that's even better. And if it's a lot of people talking about it, you need to get rid of that jump shot right away. It's not going to be green forever. For instance, jump shot 8, jump shot 11, they're not going to be green forever. In fact, they did get patched and they came back, and they're probably going to get patched again. Because everybody in every match, every game that you go in, probably is using it. Alright, corny as hell. But anyway guys, that's how you make an ultra green jump shot.